Hey, pal. Long time no see. Even though it was just yesterday. Oh, Detective Gumshoe. Close one today, eh? I got so worked up I snapped my tie in half. How do you snap a tie in half?
Sorry about that?
No problem, pal. Thanks to you, we now know who really did it. Me. I snapped my tie. You mean the boat shop caretaker? Look, I'll make you a promise. I'll have that scoundrel in my custody by the trial time tomorrow. I thought that said come that May. I was gonna say, you want us to come in like 5 months?
May?
Come what
I
May.
finally found the person! Hello?
What?
Anyone? Right? Oh.
It's my duty to you as a police officer. Now I'm off to catch me a criminal. Detective Gumshoe sure is active today. Oh, one other thing. Eek! No one can go in the woods today. The woods?
Wright was camping?
The woods are off limits to camping. And apparently, the park ranger found out. He got pretty mad. No one can go in there for a while. I guess Lana's in a lot of trouble, right, Nick?
Maya!
What, you can make puns, but I can't?
Sorry.
Yeah. Anyway, I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Why do I have Will Powers' voice all of a sudden? What?
You do? I didn't even notice.
I don't know. To me it sounded like Will Powers more than Gumshoe. Well, now I want to go in the woods even more.
Yeah, Gumshoe, have you ever heard of psychology? Reverse psychology, I think?
Yes. Well, no, it's not Gumshoe. It's the park ranger.
Well, yeah, the park ranger made a big mistake. It's a mistake. Huh? The steel eyesore is missing.
Eyesore?
Looks like the hot dog stand is closed too.
I guess Larry's been too busy with the child to show up for work. Or he just in general didn't want to. That old caretaker got away.
Yep.
I never imagined he might be the real murderer. Oh,
I know that clearing has a throat anywhere.
Uh-huh. Hello. What might you be doing here? Up for a walk, The days of my youth. Like the scent of a fresh lemon, you see. Mr. Grossberg, this is no time for idle reminiscing. Mr. Edgeworth's trial ends tomorrow. That is true. Yes. But from what I saw of today's trial, Edgeworth should be fine, right?
Well, I'm not so sure about that.
Oh ho, what do you mean by that?
Well, I'm not sure.
If you find anything out, come by my office at once. I may be able to help I may be able to offer you some assistance.
Thanks. Bye!
What do you think Mr. Grossberg was doing here anyway?
Who knows?
Nobody's home.
Hello! Hello! Ah!
Hey, it's Polly! I wonder where your owner's gone, Polly.
Hello! Hello! Ah!
I can't believe he'd run off and leave his poor parrot to fend for herself.
Hello! Hello! Ah!
That reminds me, Nick. Polly here knows the number to the safe, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Polly, what's the number to the safe?
1, 2, 2, 8! Ah!
Let's open it, Nick. Come on.
I'm sure there isn't any money in there.
Aw. But hey, he keeps it locked, right? So there must be something valuable in there.
I'm not so sure.
Okay, Nick, let's see what's in there.
I guess there might be a clue or two. The only thing in here is a letter.
Letter? Aw, boring.
Yes, it is the letter B. How did you know?
What?
It's the letter B for boring!
Yeah. Okay.
No. There's no name or signature on this thing. It's handwritten in precise, clear letters. Get your revenge on Miles Edgeworth. Edgeworth?
Nick, why would Edgeworth's name be on here?
How should I know? I'm gonna read the whole thing. Get your revenge on Miles Edgeworth. It also says, this is your last chance. Now is your time to get revenge on the 2 men who ruined your life.
Wait, is that... his defense attorney ruined his life?
The rest of the letter goes, describe the murder in plot detail. How to kill Robert Hammond and frame Edgeworth. Step 1.
Yes.
Calling Edgeworth out to the lake, getting on the boat, firing twice. This is exactly what I figured out in work today. So here, in perfect detail.
See, I told you we should break into his safe. But you were like, no, Maya, there's not any money in there. We don't need to do that. But anyways... What was that about?
I'll be right back.
Okay, I will too. Hi, Dougie isn't back yet, so... Anyways, hi. I'm just waiting for Dougie to get back, and then we will continue. But for now, if you haven't already, read the descriptions. I've been asking questions. Oh yeah, also, before I forget, I need to give a shout out to Gabby at the Disco on Instagram for being our best supporter. And I've talked to her, and she seems really nice. And she was the first person that I talked to about my ex-friend blocking me because I called him a pineapple. So that was fun. And it has been confirmed that yes, I was blocked because I called him a pineapple. It was beautiful. I hear people talking in the background. I don't know what they're saying though. Anyways, there should be other stories, but I can't remember them right now, so I'm trying to think. I know how to solve a Rubik's Cube. I should upload a video. Hi.
I'm back.
Yes, you're back.
Why did you take a picture?
I didn't.
It says you did.
I didn't even touch the screen.
It said Raymer took a snapshot.
I didn't even touch the screen.
We has ghosts!
No! Anyways, let's continue. The video has been on paused for a little while. I unpaused it when I got back, so. Ooh, what do you think this means, Nick?
I don't know, but it looks like these instructions are for the caretaker. And he killed Robert Hammond and called out Edward. He was following instructions.
But who could have written that letter? And what does it mean to get revenge on Miles Edgeworth?
Look, I don't know, okay?
Okay. I was just asking.
But one thing's for certain. This letter is an amazing clue.
No money, there's not any money in there. We don't need to do that.
For some reason, I read a clue as cube in my head, and it's just like, it's not a cube.
It's an amazing cube. The best.
This is the best piece of six-sided square geometry ever!
Maybe I should take care of Polly, Nick.
You probably shouldn't just kidnap her.
But her owner just left her here.
The police know about her anyway. I'm sure they'll do something.
But I wanted a pet. Okay. Sorry, Polly. He says I can't take you.
Great, now the bird's gonna hate me.
Yeah, the bird's going to hate you because you're tearing us apart, Nick.
What?
You're tearing us apart.
That's not my fault.
That you're tearing us apart.
If you're that upset, blame the law about kidnapping birds.
Stupid law about kidnapping birds.
How would you feel if you had bird and someone took it? Even though he abandoned the bird.
Exactly. It's not like I'm just taking someone's bird. I'm taking a murderer's bird who abandoned it and trying to rescue it. Nick.
But it's still on his property.
His property that he abandoned.
Yes, but it's still his property.
He might not even come back to feed it. What, are the police just going to come back over and over again and bring him bird feed? Why do that when I can...
They're probably going to take the bird to a safe place.
Like the Wright and Co. offices.
No, like a bird sanctuary.
But our office is very safe.
No.
Besides the one murder that happened there.
Maya, what do you think is safe about you leaving burger wrappers everywhere?
What?
That wasn't you?
It was, but...
Why are you cleaning up after yourself then? Oh, what is it? It's called modern art.
No!
Is that what you're doing? What?
But if we get Polly, we'll have a use for the wrappers because, there will be places for her to go to the bathroom.
I mean, that's a good point, but what if she eats them?
I lick them all clean, so nothing would happen.
She would choke on the paper!
Why would she be eating the paper? In that case, all of the files we keep around are a danger to her.
Exactly!
Who doesn't keep paper in their house?
You can! It just has to be safely put away! If you has bird. Probably. I don't know.
What?
Do I look like an expert on birds to you?
Wait, no, not at all. But
Exactly!
But I'm just saying, according to Jaden Animations, birds take very big morning poops, and
Yes!
floor.
And I don't want to yes. And I don't feel like walking into work every day to the smell of poop.
Well, you're going to have to deal with it because I'm not cleaning up after the bird.
If you eat the bird and you want the bird, you clean up after the bird.
But I don't want to.
Then no bird. And also, it's not your bird, so.
Fine, I'll just come and live here.
You can't do that.
And then you can come and, I'll call you whenever it poops, and you can clean it up. And
No!
Can you imagine that phone call? Hey, Nick, Polly just pooped on the floor. I need you to come and clean it up.
No!
But why not?
2 in the morning.
What?
It's very early in the morning. Tired. Just woke up. I didn't even eat breakfast.
Wait, I'll be right back. Okay. Let's continue.
Yes.
We go off on way too many tangents, but I kind of like that.
I don't feel like discussing geometry right
Ah! I said ah!
I'm sorry, but the person you're trying to have a conversation with is currently zoning out.
I said ah!
Huh? Well, what's wrong?
Huh? Oh, never mind.
What? Tell me!
Just when I saw the TV, I remembered. They're showing a Pink Princess special this week.
Oh.
See? That's why I didn't want to tell you.
You can record it.
What?
You can record it.
I know, I did. I was just
Okay.
excited. And
Oh.
now you made me feel weird about it.
You don't need to.
I know you don't mean to. Sure there's nothing in the garbage?
No.
Nick, it's your turn to go and get the evidence that we both don't want to get. Go look in the garbage.
Sure.
Actually, no, wait, never mind. I'm bored. Let's leave.
Yes.
Now what? We're going to end it here. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching,
Pharaoh.